Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your following list on TikTok so that other people can't see who you're following. First, open the App Store or Google Play Store and make sure your TikTok app is updated to the latest version. Once the update is complete, open TikTok and log into your account. Next, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down until you find the Privacy section. Inside Privacy, look for Following List and tap on it. Here you'll see options such as Everyone and Only Me. If you want complete privacy, simply select Only Me. This will prevent other users from seeing the accounts you follow. That's all you need to do. Your following list is now hidden on TikTok. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more TikTok tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.